When Zenarmor is installed, a default policy is included to provide a network-wide policy. However, if you have multiple types of users on your network, you may wish to apply a different policy for each type of user. With a premium subscription, you have the option to create additional policies. For small office, home office, and enterprise users, separate policies may be created for departments such as finance, marketing, human resources, and administration. Home users may also take advantage of policies by creating policies for their children or guests. Policies allow you to set security controls, web and app controls, time schedules, and exceptions for users, groups, devices, and networks. To create a new policy in Zenarmor, click on the Policies page and click Create New Policy. Enter a name such as Guest, click Create. When you click on a new policy, you'll be presented with all of the policy controls. Once you are finished configuring a policy, click Apply Changes for your policy to be applied to your network. You may now enjoy experiencing greater control of your network using Zenarmor.